In this problem, we are to describe how the graphs of the given functions relate to the graph of y equals f of x. The first one is y equals f of x minus 5 plus 8/5. So starting with y equals f of x, we go to y equals f of x minus 5, and then y equals f of x minus 5 plus 8/5. In the first step, x has been replaced by x minus 5. The change in the graph will be horizontal. We'll actually be moving 5 to the right. In the second, f of x minus 5 is intact from the second function to the third. This means that the change is going to be vertical on the y coordinates, and we're going to go up 8/5. So in this case, we will go 5 units to the right and 8/5 units up. If we let t of x equal x minus 5 and r of x equal x plus 8/5, then our function that we're given y would equal r of f of t of x. So we do have composition in play here. And the t function, the subtract 5 function, is the inner function. It changes the x values, and the r of x function is the outer function. It changes the y values relative to f. In part B, we start with y equals f of x. This time, we go to y equals f of x plus 5, followed by y equals f of x plus 5 minus 8/5. So first, we go 5 units left, and second, we go 8/5 units down. So 5 left, 8/5 down. Both involving only rigid transformations. The shape of y equals f of x is not changed. Now in these last two, we start with y equals f of x again, but we're going to have 4 times f of x plus 8 minus 5. So we're going to have 3 steps. Y goes to f of x plus 8, but then we multiply f of x plus 8 by 4, and finally subtract 5 from 4 times f of x plus 8. So x plus 8 replaces x. We're going to go 8 to the left. The f of x plus 8 is intact. So this is going to be a vertical change. We're going to multiply all the y values by 4. So we're going to stretch vertically by a factor of 4. And the 4 times f of x plus 8 is still intact at the end. When we subtract 5, we're subtracting that from all the y values. And so this will be 5 down. So 8 to the left, stretch vertically by factor of 4, and finally move down 5. All of the y values would be multiplied by 4 in the second step. The only difference in the last one is that instead of having f of x plus 8, we have f of x minus 8. So in this step, we're going to be going 8 to the right. We're still going to be stretching vertically by a factor of 4. And then in the last step, we're going to be adding 5. So this is a second difference. So 5 will be added to all the y values. We'll be going up 5. So 8 to the right, stretch vertically by factor of 4, and finally up 5.